Welcome back to Today in History. Buckle up as we take you on a time-traveling adventure through the most astonishing, weird, and mind-blowing events that happened on November 13th throughout the ages. From cosmic spectacles to daring escapades, this list is packed with surprises you won't want to miss. If you're a history enthusiast or just love a good story, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on this incredible journey. Number 20. November 13th, 1002. King Ethelred II orders the massacre of Danes in England, known as the St. Brice's Day Massacre. Not exactly the kind of housewarming party you'd want to attend. Number 19. November 13th, 1642. The Battle of Turnham Green halts King Charles I's forces outside London during the English Civil War. The King's army decided to skip afternoon tea. London wasn't having it. Number 18. November 13th, 1775. American Revolutionary War. Continental Army forces capture Montreal without firing a shot. Talk about a polite takeover. Canada, eh? Number 17. November 13th, 1833. The Great Leonid Meteor Storm dazzles skywatchers with thousands of meteors per hour. People thought the world was ending. Turns out, it was just the universe's best fireworks show. Number 16. November 13th, 1851. The Denny Party lands at Alki Point, becoming the first settlers of what would become Seattle, Raincoats not included. Number 15. November 13th, 1887. Bloody Sunday erupts in London as police clash with protesters demanding Irish Home Rule, when peaceful protests turn into a not-so-merry old time. Number 14. November 13th, 1927. The Holland Tunnel opens, connecting New York City and New Jersey under the Hudson River. Finally, a way to escape New Jersey traffic, or get stuck in New York traffic. Number 13. November 13th, 1940. Walt Disney's animated masterpiece, Fantasia, premieres. Mickey Mouse dons a wizard's hat and changes cinema magic forever. Number 12. November 13th, 1950. Venezuelan President Carlos Delgado Chalbo is assassinated in Caracas. Political drama with a deadly twist. Number 11. November 13th, 1956. The U.S. Supreme Court declares Alabama's bus segregation laws unconstitutional. Rosa Parks gets a well-deserved high five from justice. Number 10. November 13th, 1970. The Bola cyclone strikes East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, killing up to 500,000 people. Mother Nature shows she can throw a tantrum like no other. Number 9. November 13th, 1985. The eruption of Nevado del Ruiz volcano triggers a massive mudslide, burying the town of Armero, Colombia, and killing over 23,000 people. A tragic reminder that volcanoes don't play nice. Number 8. November 13th, 1990. Workers drill through the last section of rock to connect the British and French sides of the Channel Tunnel. England and France become tunnel buddies. Number 7. November 13th, 1994. Sweden votes to join the European Union in a referendum. Sweden decides to bring meatballs and IKEA to the EU party. Number 6. November 13th, 2001. War on Terror. Taliban forces abandon Kabul as Northern Alliance troops enter the city. A significant turn in a complex conflict. Number 5. November 13th, 2002. The oil tanker Prestige sinks off the coast of Spain, causing a massive oil spill. Not the kind of black gold anyone was hoping for. Number 4. November 13th, 2012. A total solar eclipse occurs, visible in parts of Australia and the South Pacific. The sun took a coffee break, and the moon photobombed. Number 3. November 13th, 2015. Coordinated terrorist attacks in Paris kill 130 people and injure hundreds. A tragic night that united the world in solidarity. Number 2. November 13th, 2016. New Zealand is struck by a 7.8 magnitude earthquake, lifting the seabed 2 meters and creating new landforms. When Mother Nature decides to redecorate. Number 1. November 13th, 2019. Venice experiences its worst flood in 50 years, with over 85% of the city underwater. Gondolas become the only way to get to your front door. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of November 13th's most incredible events. If these historical tidbits sparked your curiosity or made you chuckle, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Today in History. Hit that notification bell so you're always in the loop with the past's wildest stories. Until next time, keep exploring history. It's full of surprises.